Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So, do you want to start your own small business but not sure where to begin? Well, let me show you how in just 3 steps. Step 1, you want to find a product or a service to sell. Think about what people need or want. It could be something you make, like crafts or jewelry, or something you can resell, like trending gadgets or household items. As you can see here, I have all these items lined up, and I'm getting ready to start posting to sell. Now, today we're going to be using the Low Income Savings Challenge coloring book. Of course, I'll leave the link in the description box, or you can scan the QR code. But you can't save extra money if you don't have extra money. So while I color, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about some things that you can do. I'm going to be adding an additional $72 to my account. I think that's what I got. Let me get my calculator real quick and I will add it up, because I think it was going to be that 8 and then the additional row. So let me get the calculator real quick and just double check. But while I'm adding up, back to the topic. The key is to pick something you're excited about and that people will actually buy. Step 2, you want to advertise it. So use free platforms like Facebook Marketplace. You can use OfferUp, you can use eBay, or even Amazon. Now, I know Amazon is not free. I'll tell you, for me personally, believe it or not, I gravitated towards eBay. It seemed to be the most intuitive for me at the time, and that's where I got the most response. But anyway, you want to take clear pictures, you want to write a short, catchy description, and then you just want to post it. And that is the key. Lots of times people will consume content, they'll watch videos about how to get started, they'll read books about how to get started, and they never actually execute. So whichever platform is the simplest for you, that's the one you want to use. Whatever products are easily accessible to you that people will want, that's what you want to sell, or a service if you don't want to do any products. Now, how are you going to get the word out there? Word of mouth works also. You can tell friends, you can tell family members, you can tell coworkers about your products. The more people that know, the more likely you are to make a sale. Now, step 3 will be to actually make the sale. Be sure to respond quickly to questions. You want to be friendly and make the buying process easy. Once someone buys, ship it or deliver it safely. And don't forget to ask for a review. Those reviews will give you credibility, and it helps you to sell more. So see, that's it. Just find your product, advertise your product, and make the sale. There are endless opportunities to start small and grow big. So drop a heart in the comments if you want to see more behind the scenes tips on how you can start your own small business. And if you don't necessarily want to run a full-fledged business, you can just find a way to make extra dollars. Another thing that I do as far as selling on Amazon, I don't physically touch a product. So I will buy a product and I will test a product like this book, and I will interact with you all. I'll color in the book. I'll leave a link in the description box. I'll pop up a QR code, and then people click on the link. It's, of course, an affiliate link, and they make the purchase. They can go on and do everything themselves, and I never have to physically touch the products. So, like I said, find something that people want and that people need. Also, pay attention to different times of the year, because it's the end of the year when I'm making this video and going into the new year. A lot of people are interested in new ideas, new starts, and they want to start businesses. So that's a popular topic. Also, saving money is also very popular. People come off the holidays and they realize they've spent money, or they've spent more money than they wanted to, and they want to get their finances back on track. So they want to start saving money again, and they want to be motivated by saving money. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day. I hope this is giving you a little bit of inspiration, and I hope that you move forward and actually execute. Don't just consume the content, make sure you take that first step. And of course, I will leave the link in the description box because we're making a lot of progress with this savings challenge. And I will pop up the QR code if you simply want to scan the low income savings challenge coloring book. Bye for now, everyone.